Let's start the ancient Spanish beauty secrets for a natural, ageless glow. Welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. The beauty of Spain has a rich beauty culture influenced by its Mediterranean climate, history, and love for natural elegance. Spanish beauty is all about effortless radiance, natural ingredients, and holistic self-care. Here are some traditional beauty secrets that Spanish women have embraced for generations. The key principles of Spanish beauty. Spanish beauty is all about effortless elegance, natural radiance, and holistic self-care. 1. Natural and minimalist skincare. Spanish women, they focus on hydration, sun protection, and simple, effective ingredients like olive oil, aloe vera, and rosewater. Next, heavy makeup is avoided in favor of healthy, glowing skin. 2. Sun protection is non-negotiable. With Spain's sunny climate, sunscreen is a must to prevent premature aging. 3. The Mediterranean diet. Their diet is rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and fresh produce like olive oil, fish, nuts, and citrus fruits. 4. Hair care is a ritual. Spanish beauty emphasizes natural, voluminous, and healthy hair. They use rosemary water rinses, almond oil, and argan oil to strengthen and nourish their hair. 5. Confidence and feminine energy. Spanish women exude confidence and elegance in their beauty approach. 6. Rest and relaxation for anti-aging. Relaxation techniques like facial massages, yoga, and herbal teas help reduce stress and prevent wrinkles. 7. Active lifestyle for a toned body. Walking is a huge part of daily life in Spain. It keeps the body fit and improves circulation for glowing skin. 8. A signature beauty look. Spanish beauty isn't about following trends, it's about having a timeless signature style. Classic red lips, dewy skin, and natural waves are a staple. Let's dive into the video. Spanish skincare secrets. The key to help you achieve that natural, radiant, ageless Spanish glow. Step 1. Olive oil, liquid gold for the skin. Why it use? Olive oil is rich in vitamin E antioxidants and healthy fats that nourish and protect the skin. It fights free radicals and helps with anti-aging hydration and skin repair. How to use it? Use extra virgin olive oil as a nighttime moisturizer. Just 2 to 3 drops on damp skin. Mix it with sugar or coffee grounds to make a gentle exfoliator. Next, number 2, aloe vera, natural soother and hydrator. In Spain's sunny climate, aloe vera is a go-to for treating sunburns, acne scars, and irritation. It's full of enzymes and vitamins that hydrate and calm the skin. How to use it? Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant to clean skin as a mask or daily moisturizer. Number 3, rosewater, refreshing and balancing. Rosewater is a natural toner that helps balance the skin's pH, tighten pores, and reduce inflammation. Spray rosewater on your face after cleansing and before moisturizing. Carry a small bottle to use as a midday skin refresher. Number 4, red wine, the secret to ageless skin. Spanish women enjoy wine not just for pleasure, but for beauty benefits too. Red wine is packed with resveratrol, which helps boost collagen and fight signs of aging. Mix 1 tablespoon red wine with honey and yogurt for a brightening face mask. Use once a week. Spanish hair care secrets. Thick, shiny, and healthy hair. Fun. Rosemary water rinse. The Spanish hair growth elixir. Why it's used. Rosemary stimulates the scalp, improves blood circulation, and promotes faster hair growth while preventing dandruff. Boil fresh rosemary leaves in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool, strain, and pour into a spray bottle. Spray it on your scalp daily or use it as a final rinse after shampooing. Massage it in for deeper absorption and to stimulate follicles. 2. Olive oil, deep nourishment for silky hair. Warm 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and apply it to your scalp and hair lengths. Massage and cover with a shower cap. Leave for 30 minutes or overnight before shampooing. Use weekly as a pre-shampoo mask for soft, manageable hair. And there you have it, mi amores, the timeless beauty secrets of Spanish women. From olive oil magic to rosemary hair rituals, these traditions prove that beauty truly begins with simplicity, self-care, and natural elegance. If you enjoy my video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.